shoot dudes. Shoot dudes. I forgot. I'm getting very anxious, guys.
Focus, focus, focus. Better said than done.
Oh, did he say, Mr. Yeah.
I never A normal person
Dad,
can
did you see Mr.
solve
Beast
that
and
one
Ice and Axe?
in 3 hours.
No.
A normal person.
Yo. Am I tweaking? No! Wait, I'm selling. I forgot to do something. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
No, I'm good.
Nakuha na siya. Na-conscious na siya. And then next time, delete na naman.
Zach,
Yeah?
you act like you gave me a warning seconds ago.
What do you mean I gave you a warning seconds ago?
No, you know what time is it? You should have told me that it's time for us to
Dahil
go.
mo,
Zach.
mukuha mang kong parking ticket.
Next time you just gotta know, mama.
Uban ko nimo.
Okay.
Nakay $5, hindi na ako magdalag.
I'm rich.
Bruh, what the
okay?
Sigma, dude?
Basta ha, nga side.
I'm cooked.
Oh, Salinas?
Oh, muban na lang ko.
Zach, let's go.
Hold on.
No, dili na ma yung time kaya gadali ka. Next, ayaw na ka. Dili na
I'll do it next time.
Wait, I'm almost done.
After practice. Kaya gadali naman siya.
Man, I did so bad. It's okay.
Zach,
I didn't see the time.
so
It was 1:58.